Hey, high leveler, my name's Andrew, and today we're talking about Texas TCPA laws. So Texas has implemented a TCPA law which now applies to text messages, especially bulk marketing messages coming from marketers like you and I using systems like GoHighLevel. So in order to counteract this, we have some features inside of GoHighLevel to make this a little bit easier for you guys that are marketing to people in the state of Texas. To avoid sending bulk SMS messages to contacts in the state of Texas, we have a feature that you can find under phone system, and under messaging compliance at the bottom, you can see block any SMS to Texas recipients or from Texas area code numbers. When this is enabled, bulk messages to Texas numbers or from Texas area codes will be blocked per your regional rules, and one-on-one messages will still go through. I'd highly advise you click the Learn More button to go to the Help Doc to learn more about the TCPA laws, what is allowed and what isn't allowed. Since this mainly applies to bulk SMS sending, this feature can make it a little bit easier to avoid accidentally infringing on any of those TCPA rules. Please refer to your local and state TCPA laws in order to understand exactly how you can use this feature and continue marketing to people in the state of Texas. As always, my name is Andrew. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you very much for watching.